Welcome back, guys. We're having a nice warm up today. We're going to be really close to 60 degrees. So today we're going to move these planter boxes, and we're also going to try out the stabilizers for the first time on the back of the trailer and see if we can get this log up on the foundation here. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get a little bit muddy, stay a little bit warm. Thanks for watching. Now these planter boxes work out really well. You get these guys full of dirt. It keeps everything up off of ground level. No weeding as far as you get your soil in there and plant tomatoes or whatever you want to grow. And just absolutely works great. And we're using chainsaw milled slabs to build these tables and then just splitting these barrels. This really did work out good. Now I do need to drill me some weep holes in these so they don't retain quite as much water. Probably about right in this area here. I don't mind it holding a little water. That's good for the plants. I'm going to keep these kind of close. They all drain about the same way. Like I said, the water line, it's right in there. These things are heavy sitting on these tables like that. Maybe we can turn these over. Maybe. Still pretty heavy here, and they're locked together where we saw this thing in two. There we go. Well, with that much water in them, I didn't have to worry about them blowing away. That worked out pretty good. What a great way to use the wood rather than just burning this stuff. The cedar that we use from these logs is what we covered the trailer with. So definitely used as much of the tree as we could. It won't be long and we'll be planting vegetables and getting the garden ready. And weather like this really makes you hope for things to come. With this amount of snow melting, it did not take it long to get muddy and sloppy out here. My goodness. We get this little job done and I think I'll be done for the day. Like I said, it is getting messy out here. Set this guy out. As muddy as it is, I don't want to have our log fall down on us. Now we've got it. That log is heavy. Got it folded up. Get out of the way. Give me my glove back. I think this little hammer is going to be pretty good. Now, let's see if we can winch this thing up here. Boy, it's getting muddy. Easy. Not quite as fast as the Mule would do it, but we're up here. Slack in there. Oh, it's a muddy mess up here now. Now, I don't know exactly how I'm going to put the mill yet, but this does give me an idea if I wanted to build some beams out here and actually stage logs and be able to just roll them to the mill as I need to, but that would mean that I have to have the mill going this direction, and that almost cuts me off from the ramp that we have here if we wanted to bring a big log up. And like I said, I can build a log bed out here to stage logs. We can roll them in, turn them however we need to, and get them up on the milling bed. And as long as we're not making things worse for ourselves, we're doing all right. And eventually, I think with the mill setting down here, we will have to come up with a plan to actually put a roof over this thing and get that in the dry, and that way we can protect the material that we're making and allow it to dry as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The little crane on the back of the trailer, actually that thing is working really good. The stabilizers worked real good. So even in this mud, it actually gave the trailer enough support as we was using the hoist. So I will consider that a win. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you on the next one. Enjoy this weather.